Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Me and today I'll be showing you guys my current go-to summer makeup routine, and it is this glowy peachy look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching. First, I prep my skin with bio oil because it has been very dry lately, and then I use two primers, which is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Lately, I've been really liking doing my eyebrows with a brow pencil, so here I'm using the Maybelline Brow Definer. And here I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. There must be something that it features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. And lastly, I just set my eyebrows with the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. Moving on, I prime my eyes using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and then I set it with the Coty Airspun powder. The eyeshadow palette that I use is actually no longer sold, but this is the latest peach palette that Colourpop sells. The shimmer shade that I use in this look is actually not in a palette, but it's such a basic color that even a highlighter would work. On the screen, I put the most similar shades from Colourpop's latest peach palette to the palette that I used in this video. For this look, all I did was put a light peach color in my crease in my outer corner, and then I just deepened my outer corners with a deeper peach color. And then I took this white champagne-ish shimmer shade and put it in the inner half of my eyelid. I wanted a softer eyeliner look, so instead of black liquid liner, I used this Maybelline Gel Pencil Liner in brown. I also went in with an angle brush just to blend it out a little bit and also help sharpen it up. I usually don't wear mascara when I wear falsies, so here I'm just curling my eyelashes. The lashes I used today was the Doe Lashes in Crazy in Love. This is my current favorite lashes to wear. For my face, I use a mix of the Burt's Bees BB Cream and the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I really like this mix because it's so skin-like and glowy, and I thought it's amazing for the summer. And then to conceal, I used the same concealer I used earlier. To keep the glowy finish of my skin, I used a mix of the Coty Airspun powder and the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. For my bronzer, I used a mix of the Milani Sunkissed bronzer and then the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. And to contour / bronze my nose, I just used the Milani Sunkissed bronzer. For my blush, I used a mix of the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and the same Burt's Bees blush. To highlight, I used the Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter in Lunch Money. And then to add color to my lower lash line, I just went in with the same two peach shades I used earlier. For my lips, I just wanted a tiny bit of color, so I went in with a minuscule amount of the Peripera Ink Airy Velvet, and then I topped it off with the Ulta Juice Infused Lip Oil. And that's it for the look I've been doing for this summer. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you guys want to see more content from me, go ahead and subscribe. And that is really it. I hope you guys stay safe, and until next time, bye guys! Find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona
Mona Lisa.